Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm doing a highly requested video to share the exact Google Sheets budget template that I use to budget our household income of over $100,000 per year. Budgeting is so critical when you have a high income because it's easy to lifestyle inflate and overspend if you don't have a detailed plan for your money. So in this video, I'll give you an overview of the exact spreadsheet, the key categories, some of my favorite functions and formulas, and then a live demo where I show you exactly how my husband and I use this to budget our variable six-figure income. Whether you make $100,000 or hope to one day, I think you'll get a ton of value from seeing this detailed look at our budget. Key sections of the spreadsheet. I first want to overview the key sections of this budget template. Within this one Google Sheet, there are separate tabs for the main budget, variable income tracker, savings goals, cash flow manager, debt tracker, and net worth tracker. The main budget tab has all of our regular monthly income and expenses. The variable income section is key for us since we both work side hustles on top of our main jobs. This helps us budget irregular bonuses, freelance checks, and business revenue. The savings goals tab outlines our targets for short and long-term savings. The cash flow manager shows our liquid cash on hand for paying bills and expenses. The debt tracker is for anyone paying down debt, and the net worth tracker shows assets versus liabilities. I'll dig deeper into each section later in the video, but these are the key pieces that make this an actionable tool for managing a variable and high household budget. Income sources. As entrepreneurs and freelancers, our income varies a lot month to month. So to make a useful budget, the income section is actually broken out by income source such as salary from main jobs, bonuses, side hustle revenue, rental property earnings, investment dividends, any other one-time or irregular income. Not only does this help forecast our total income, but it helps ensure all of our many income streams are accounted for in our planning. It also helps me determine ahead of time what percentage of each income source will go towards our base expenses, taxes, investments and other financial goals. Being strategic with how you allocate is crucial for making a budget work with over six figures of income. I implement some additional functionality here with running total formulas as well as average monthly income calculators on the back end that auto-populate our final income amount even as I'm adjusting the variables. Key monthly expenses. The main expenses section is pretty standard with categories like housing, utilities, groceries, dining out, shopping and personal care, transportation, health costs, insurance, childcare or school costs, travel, and discretionary budgets for hobbies and entertainment. The great thing about the expandable categories within Google Sheets is that I can toggle to show our high-level budgets as an overview or expand each category to input very detailed line items month to month. Savings goals. One thing that's so critical with a high income is having intentional savings goals. It's too easy for lifestyle inflation to happen unconsciously without being strategic. So in our household, savings is always made a priority. On the Goals tab, I outline 1. Emergency fund target. 2. Down payment savings fund. 3. IRA contributions. 4. College savings. 5. And any big picture financial goals like becoming financially independent by 45. Seeing these long-term goals in writing holds us accountable for actually budgeting the income needed to get there. Now that we've walked through the template sections, let me jump into a real-time demo of how I actually use this budget each month to our finances organized with over six figures of variable income. Live budget demo. Screen share to browser, input real income and expense numbers for current month to walk through her process of using the budget in real time. So as you can see, this is an extremely comprehensive tool for planning and tracking highly detailed finances from income through to investing for goals and savings. Now let's dive into some of my favorite Google Sheets power user tips for building a custom budget template like this. Google Sheets power user tips. Use formulas strategically. Formulas are your best friend within Google Sheets for automated calculations. For figuring out percentages, managing a running total available amount as you input expenses, averaging irregular numbers, formulas can do all of that heavy lifting so you don't have to. Here are some examples of key formulas I use. Equals sum to add up columns. Equals average to calculate averages from inconsistent numbers. Equals percentage to allocate percentages of certain income to certain goals. I also name range many cells, which allows me to refer back to a specific cell across formulas within the sheet. Formatting. Don't underestimate the power of formatting inside Google Sheets. You can customize fonts, text size and colors. Use borders, shading and conditional formatting to make parts of the sheet stand out. Formatting the tabs, font sizes and income versus expenses clearly makes the budget template much easier to use and nice to look at. Integrations. Finally, connecting other apps and tools you already use into Sheets takes the power up another level. I use the integration with our bank and accounting software to automatically import latest transactions. This saves me hours of manual entry. I also have a master CSV document saved in Google Drive that I use for easy template backups, so I never worry about losing data. Conclusion. So there you have it, a complete tour of the in-depth budget spreadsheet template I use to track our finances and plan savings goals with over $100,000 in total household income. I aim to provide tons of specifics as well as tips in this video so you can create your own custom budget to take control of your money and build wealth over time no matter what your income level. As always, let me know if you have any other money questions. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to like and subscribe.